Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Shannon Lee, the Veggie Nut, and I make all kinds of vegan related videos to help you live a more healthy, compassionate life. If that sounds like something that's interesting to you, hit the subscribe button down below. That way you don't miss any future videos. Also hit that little notification bell as well. Now let's get right into this one. Today I'm going to be swatching all 6 shades of the Pacifica liquid lipsticks. Pacifica is a great company, one of my favorites. They are cruelty-free, all vegan and natural, and they are also more affordable. So you can find Pacifica on their website, which I'll list down below in the description if you want to check that out. And you can also find them at Ulta Beauty and Target. Who doesn't shop at Target, right? I mean, it seems I'm there like 3 times a week. So if you haven't yet tried a Pacifica product, I highly recommend giving it a try, checking it out. Now let's try on some lipstick, have a little fun, cue the music.
Trying to forget you, I'm all alone in a ghost town. There's a beautiful madness inside my soul, and I can't stop thinking of you, walking on the lonely avenue. Are you, are you, are you my love so wild? Please give me a sign. My love so wild, please give me, baby. My love so wild, please give me a sign. My love so wild, please give me a sign.
All 6 shades. I hope you enjoyed this little swatch video. I'm curious which color was your favorite. Let me know down below. And I'm going to give you a quick little review, my thoughts on this product. Just like all Pacifica lip products, I find that this is really moisturizing, hydrating, and it doesn't feel like a typical lipstick. It feels like it's good for your lips. It also tastes great, smells great. So I'm really happy with it. It's definitely a product that I would reach for more of an everyday lipstick, just because it is natural and it feels good on your lips. The only downside I would say is the darker colors are a little bit more streaky, and it is such a moisturizing wet consistency that it does slide and slip on your lips. So I would definitely blot off the excess, or maybe even use like a lipstick brush just to get it more precise. Otherwise it's gonna maybe go outside of your lips and definitely on your teeth, but it's really not a big deal. I still love the lipstick. It's not enough to keep me from buying it, using it, recommending it. Overall, I am super happy with this product and I would be buying it again. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Please give me a sign.